Ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ke North Eastern Hills University Student Union, haga Jingershan lang ke Khasi Student Union Nehu unit, kila aipor yu Vice Chancellor ke school ba, hapo ke santrik unai Weng, yu registrar, but yu deputy registrar, nara kiwepat ke officer, basu Thung Beaiñ. Kino yalam ke Nehu su, haringkat ber ke KSU Nehu, hadi melayo ke jingtep, ye ke jing Thung Beaiñ du new Vice Chancellor ke Nehu, u Professor Prabhashan ka Shukla, kila yami patba bandawa Weng ka Mardor. Hagajiya genduk ki kena pulih ke sekolah kela perta bat penrem ye uni Vice Chancellor halo ke jing Sha Liang ke Jong U bak kela penpau bakindang yai bud din ye kiwe di ki kamba ule. Habakaran bakela pathai kubor samna Sandi Sotun Presiden ke Nehu su ulakaran dak kerwa ke basai bak di sekolah ba Nehu kamde satya kata ka Ashram bancuan rak bre bat thungkam kat bamon.
Registrar down registrar down registrar down DR down DR down VC come out VC come out VC come out VC come out Only two demands. That is to remove registrar, deputy registrar, officer on special duty, and he will in charge. Guest house is one. And the second demand is to appoint pro VC in both the campuses. That's it. And the deadline is still Monday midday. That's it, sir. We just want that, and it should be happening within 1 week.
Okay, all of you are already students. You also know the rules and regulations. Okay? You have the non-teaching association already wrote a letter to Government of India regarding the appointment of deputy registrar. Registrar name already has been published in the paper also. Till date, I have not received anything. But after receiving what is the direction of the government, accordingly decision will be taken as per the norms and rules.
All the appointments are according to your favoritism, sir. You are not going according to the rules or any ordinance, sir.
Okay, rules are very clear. Rules are already for application to each and every one.
Okay. Problem we have bring even the memorandum on the 10th of September. What's the update on this memorandum, sir? Not
Yes.
even one issue
Registrar
for the students, sir.
Registrar already compiling all the
Where is
data.
compilation? Where is the compilation, sir?
You already logged the
No more
No,
excuses. No more excuse.
Registrar
No
is
more
already
excuse.
doing the thing. That's why it's okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
this memorandum was submitted in the month of September. Since September, you were just compiling, and now only because the
Not
register
com-
office is closed, that's why we are not getting, sir. Sir, no excuse,
not-
please.
not-
VC, no excuse. VC, no excuse.
We have given you deadline for 1 month for this memorandum. Now it has been 2 months. We haven't got any update on this memorandum as well. As of now, we have come just for this 2 demand to terminate registrar, DR, and other officials that you have appointed on your will, sir. That's it. VC
Down.
VC
Down.
VC
Yes.
VC
Till the time, I am waiting also the letter of Government of India. Okay. Accordingly, जो है, as per the direction of the government.
VC down VC down VC liar VC liar VC liar VC liar. That is only 2 demands. It should be completed within Monday.
My humble request to the students, first open the office of the registrar and deputy registrar for smooth functioning of the university activity. Casual workers will be suffer of their salary. Casual workers will be suffer of their salary.
If you can
Other-
terminate
others
them,
will also
if you
be
can
suffer.
terminate them within 24 hours, we will open it tomorrow.
Yes.
That is not possible. I cannot give you any wrong assurance.
How can you appoint them by your will?
Appointment also
terminate them?
taking not less than 2 months.
No, sir. No.
And same thing will also
No,
take
it's
the
fast
position.
there.
It is
COE.
not
And
one.
now-
How can you appoint officer as an in charge of COE later on as a registrar, in which he
You talk
doesn't have the
about
experience
violating
of
the
even
Constitution.
academics?
And you talk about violating the constitution when you yourself violated it.
ऐसा है. You
No,
also
no, no,
know.
no. That's what-
As of now, we came with just two.
You can-
we came with just
Okay.
We just
You
came
can-
with two
you
demands,
can-
sir.
you
It
can
should be fulfilled by Monday midnight. That's it, sir.
VC!
Down, down. VC! Down, down. Register! Down, down. Register! Down, down. And we will only meet until you complete our demands, sir. That's it, sir.
They
We
can-
will
No,
have authority-
No excuse! VC! 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 No excuse!
That's it, sir. We will meet on Tuesday.
Appointment and termination both are not a easy process. Okay?
That's why you waited.
Our-
That's
our-
why you waited 2 years for DR. That's why you waited 2 years
our
for DR
constitution
experience.
already given the right to each and everyone.
And that's why, sir, you are appointing persons who have already retired, and then you are
Yes,
violating the constitution.
Not violate the constitution.
You are violating, sir. You are violating.
You can
Ignorance.
see the rules, no. You can see the rules, no.
VC!
Government
Ignorance!
VC!
Ignorance!
VC!
Ignorance!
VC! Ignorance! VC! No excuse! VC! No excuse! VC! No excuse! VC! No excuse!
We even
Constitute
sent the
the
memorandum
inquiry
to you,
committee,
sir, on the 10th of
inquiry
September. What did
committee,
you do
and
about
that
the
letter
memorandum?
has been already written to the government, not only the President of India, Prime Minister Office also, NCST Commission also. Okay? And has been already published in the paper. I am waiting the paper. Accordingly, I will constitute a inquiry committee, or government can also constitute a inquiry committee.
What about the
Maybe
memorandum sent on September, sir?
I may be biased at the time of
Excuse, sir.
selection,
Excuse.
but
Sir.
government
You are
can.
biased! You are biased! You are biased! Biased! VC! Biased!
Termination is not a easy thing. Immediately, no one can
Because you are
terminate
biased,
it
how can it be easy?
without the permanent documents. Okay, you have not submitted
are biased, sir.
any
You
document
are-
against the registrar of deputy registrar.
Biased! VC! Biased! VC! Biased! VC! Biased! VC!
You have not submitted any document. The registrar is already involved in this forgery. Deputy registrar is involved in this forgery.
VC!
That will be
Bias!
suspended, not
VC!
terminated.
Bias!
Have you read the paper?
Biased!
If you have any
Bias!
document, give me.
VC! Biased!
On the basis of the-
Biased! VC! Biased! VC! Biased!
So my humble request to
Sir, our humble request. Sir, you listen our humble request. Our humble request is that before 5th of next month, sir, you kindly remove registrar, deputy registrar, and all those other officials that you have appointed illegally, and as well as the same time appoint pro vice chancellor for both the campuses, Nehu Shillong and Nehu Tura, sir. That's it, sir. That's it.
Kuma bilai im tasni nakaliang kajungi hina thok kuwi kesti hakaba un thapen herskino yone u registrar ba kumju u deputy registrar ba kumju ru hina lap dan so ala itli ki pos bola ba ulas Thung da kamon la dia kata di tong bangila syambat ngila lap ngi ndai kidong bun ba kita ki pos lani kita ki bentang bikin jo bikin yetrai ki nong kai lani ki nong teaching staff ten nakaliang kajungi nang budin so ki pos ba ke ba u VC ulale don bor yang university kawai ngi kwan ai ka kurbo ko basai u diben sotu ba kane kamde ka ashram ne kanunu kata ka jaka ba unchuan ra ita ki brio na bar unchuan Thung kum kita ki registrar ne DR kat kaman ko uka mau ti nakaliang ka jongi mentas ni ilaiwan lang hajing dan dekat juga KSU ni union bat ka ni husu bat kumjuru kini ki kena jong ni ka school ba ni hu bangin je dawah ban phak terminate no yu hapok steo lam komta kasngi ka baar in sistem na ka jong ka sinjam na kaliang ka jongi ti kawing ko ai ka kurwa ka basai ba ude ban sotu udan hakani ka jalla jongi ba ude ban ai preference gibriu gi jongi amba uswan le don bor na ni wana kita gibriu ni ki jalla ni ki wi ki jalla pat ti kumtahi na kaliang ka jongi hinang ni budien kibun kita ki aka ba ulalek selendet ingin semlat yo ingin semlalap lut borok kita ingin nang bedian hadian ingin saya update pak ha singi ke ba kalau menjuk terik bila ini new COE hakpor arjar khat kandai bala thung itu COE ba hasu obawan shwaban wan uni yuta shwaban put katam ulari taya hakba la thung yang u kum director jong CDC kandai ke jong karta jong am lalang shu ki bon ki of ki professor bon ki bri ki jad beni ki jungi ki ba kila ki don hok bikin jo ndak kum ta pos ndai uni VC ulale don board but ula iPad kum itu brio bala cross ki kata ke but kum juru habidi new registrar habani kong hi borok ni tep kata bala thung u kum in charge jong COE hadin kataru ula sange katukan ni por hadin la thung u kum registrar juga ni university but kum juru kum tep ip habidi kani post DR house name arjar of war por bak pelat ikan ikan advertisement hagdo por uni UDR badi menta wan hakarang ka sispa sopen reu hakaba umpat dan experience te umpat dan kono ka proper qualification hagto ka pa hakaba sam arjar afsau por wan uni registrar ungkar hakaba ki scrap no ikatu advertisement kabarem ni penmi ki release pat ke fresh advertisement hangta uni UDR ulalong balong kompeten do bawan badingkong do kata ka jigli kumno uni vice chancellor uang bo ya kata ain kondon ndai uya penban pencat clear di kenika jing penyat ka functionality jong kenika university buat kumjuru habire baik kini gi in charge jong guest house but kiwe de upasang bentung hi di kibriu gi jong u kumno habadan kita sang chang pusu bahwa thung kita in charge berkat professor obashim kelas u habando kita ki kelas but u habalong in charge jong administration ti kumno ka kata university kan function hakba uni VC wa wanda lu kita kinong kai ke imon mo u wanda on bol ni administration in so tu dia kawairu kalong bang nang ni skmat ngimnom ailat chu kata kalong ka basai nagaliang gajungi bat kunjuk ke isu ni huinen sgi ni kong ngilabo kata ka deadline ka ba sgi baar ni sapet lada ula bentung kita beri komen jumu beli umla pat benbe yu tau advisor ha ka ba usnam mobalale ula stung hi de komen suba ka ba usyam kata tulop na ka pisa juga university handai dengilit demand kanu ke demand kanu isu nagaliang gajungi om dan pisa kata university kumno pat ula ben siu tulop ikiti beri bo khat hi na ba kata kau kalau kebenta bangi haban sotu bau ni uliat don bor haduk sikadi ya takram nakal yang kejungiru ngila thok ngila penkrek tak sti agabang ngila kwa kunduk syai tas ngi kejing jubak nakal yang jungu ngila yok sngau bat ngin pa nok gini sti nang ni skmat bat ngin bo kata ka deadline bagan debe skini kong kata ka di ka san trek November angta ka sngi ba ada umla banle kanu ka basiswa nakal yang kejungi ngin hapsim bet ko ke senjam